Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video I'm bringing you a Poundland haul and a little ALDI homeware haul on the end of it. So I've been to both of those stores and I picked up some amazing items and I can't wait to show you. So let's get to this haul. Okay, so the first item I picked up is some storage solution items. I've still yet to do my kitchen. I'm always speaking about decluttering my kitchen when it comes to Poundland because they have so much amazing storage solutions for organising not just your kitchen but organise your home. I picked up these Tupperware storage containers. You get a pack of 3 in 3 different sizes. They are BPA free and you get those 3 sizes with a lovely grey colour lid. So that's my first item, which actually just cost £1. In my last Poundland haul, you would have seen that I purchased one of these Lazy Susan. On this trip, this one was actually reduced down to £1. And the reason why it's reduced is because it's just got the bottom piece on it. It's only got the bottom turntable. Yes, I thought I could use this in my under kitchen sink cupboard, or I can use it somewhere else in the house. Okay, so next up, I picked up 2 more of these storage boxes. These are going to go under Oakley's bed to put some of his toys in. You know, I would like to get something a bit more stronger, a bit more durable. So I'm just making do with these for now. Also, when the shops do open, I really want to get to IKEA and purchase some, you know, some under bed storage boxes for him from there. But for now, these would actually do fine. And also, once I get the ones from IKEA, I can actually swap these around and use them around the house anyway. So I've got these and these were £1 each. Okay, so next up, this was a very much needed item. It's these wireless headphones. So these came in at £8 and I must say they are quite powerful and of really good quality as well. I'm just going to take them out and show you. There we go. Also, I like the fact that the bit that goes over your ears is not too large. You know, it just fits over your ears at the right size. Quite compact, discreet as well. You know, you can hardly notice that I'm wearing them. Really, can you? You know, so anyway, I got these and these were £8. So next up were these red light bulbs. I was actually looking for these everywhere because we've got electric fire downstairs and the bulbs are blown on it. The fire bit still works, but I like to have that glow as well. And so I'm going to put these in and just see how they work. So you get the 2 red light bulbs for £1, so I got those. Up a couple of items for Oakley. So this was in the reduced section. It's a set of storage containers and they've got the robot design on them, and that's the first one. And you've got this one here, which is a yellow one, and then inside the box again you've got this purple one as well. So I thought these would be perfect to put his Lego bits in or some snacks when we go to the park. I thought these will come in real handy for that purpose. And these were originally £2 but they got reduced to £1, so I got those. Also, I picked up this colouring book or an activity book for Oakley. So this one says I can draw. And what I like about this one, I'll just open it randomly. On this page here, it's all about drawing a motorbike. So it shows you the motorbike at the end there. And it gives you all the ideas of how you can actually put it all together, if you get what I mean. It's got a few different ones. You can do a crab, you can do a train, superhero, aeroplane. Yes, I got that for little Oakley and this was also £1. Okay, so that's that. So next up they had a couple of these Febreze bathroom fresheners. In Poundland they're actually reducing these ones down to £1 because these are classed as the seasonal ones, the Christmas ones, the vanilla cookie one, which I absolutely love, and they last so long, so real good bargain, those. Next up, I did actually pick up a few items for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. Okay, so the first item that I picked up for Valentine's Day is this breakfast in bed toast rack. So I'll just take it out of the packet so you can have a look at it. Yeah. So there it is. It's very simple but very chic at the same time. And I also thought I can use this to put some letters in, use it as a letter rack. So I got that and this was also £1. I also got one of these acrylic hearts. So this acrylic heart is full of faux rose petals. So I got that as well and this was £1. And the last item that I picked up for Valentine's Day were these champagne flutes. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to take them out of the box so you can just have a look of how gorgeous they are. I absolutely love them. Okay, so this is them, guys. Look how gorgeous they are. They've got like this silver ombre effect going through them that makes them that much more gorgeous. I absolutely love these, and these came in at £3. Okay, so next up I'm going to show you some items that I picked up in the PEP & Co homeware section. I found these gorgeous candle holders. So I've got them in the silver, and then I also got them in this smoky grey colour. They're absolutely stunning. I've got both of them, so I wasn't sure which one to really go for. They are glass and they've got more intricate detail in them than what their other ones used to have. This was actually the glass silver one, and I spray painted it black, you know, for one of my Poundland DIYs. That's still going strong in my room. Love that. So yeah, I was kind of thrown of which colours to get. I've got two in the silver. Also got them in this gorgeous smoky grey colour as well. And these were £1 each. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so next up, I picked up a couple of these, and these are car perfumes. Now, I haven't actually seen them in Poundland before. Very White Company inspired. When you take the item out of the box, what it is, got this cute little glass bottle with this wooden lid and this kind of shoelace kind of tie, as opposed to hang it up in your car. I was thinking of just having this in my sort of understairs cupboard, you know, just hang them up there to keep them like nice and fresh, kind of smell. So I'm going to open it and just give it a little smell. I didn't smell them in the shop. It's got quite a pleasant kind of like aftershave-y kind of scent to it. I've got two of them, and these were £1 each. Okay, so next up, I only picked up one cleaning product, which was much needed and is an essential, and it's this Astonish oven and cookware cleaner. This stuff is absolutely amazing, guys. Compared to pink stuff, this works miracles. On rust, you can use it on your cookware, like it says, on your oven. As you know, or if you don't know me on this channel, I absolutely love Astonish cleaning products. They go a long, long way, and I swear by them. They're absolutely amazing. So I've got this, and this was just £1 as well. Okay, so there's a few more homeware items that I wanted to show you that I picked up in Poundland in the PEP & Co section. So the first item I'm going to show you is this cushion. Absolutely gorgeous. I actually saw this in Poundland when I did my first Poundland haul for the year, and they had loads of these in. You know, I don't know why I didn't pick them up then, because what happened, I went back the other day and it only had one left. One. So I managed to get one, which I'm absolutely grateful for. You can see it's a woven cushion with these tassels at the bottom here. Absolutely gorgeous. The back is plain and it's got a zip there, so you can take the cover off and wash it as well. So I absolutely love this, and I'm on the hunt for another 3 or 4 of them. But this came in at £5. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you thought that cushion was gorgeous, I'm getting all excited for this gorgeous vase. Oh my goodness. It's like a smoky grey colour, very similar colour to the candle holder that I showed you. This came in at £3 and I absolutely love it. I just love the aesthetics of it, you know, the colour, that smoky grey colour, very, very anthropology kind of styly. I must say, Poundland have done it again. These homeware, this PEP & Co just keep coming better and better each time. I've just put my faux orchid flowers into this vase, and you can see how gorgeous it looks already, guys. Look how stunning that looks. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, and this came in at £3 as well. So that's all from the Poundland haul. Now let me show you some of the bits that I got from Aldi. Okay, so first up from Aldi, I picked up this succulent trio set with a tray. As you can see, it's got 3 succulents there in a wooden tray. And this came in at £6.99. I'm going to open it and show it to you. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So you get this wooden tray, which is like a washed wood kind of styly tray. And then you get 3 succulents in these lovely marble plant pots as well. Really gorgeous. So you got that one, you got a smaller one there, and then you got this other small little spiky one as well. This came in at £6.99 in Aldi. Okay, so next up in the Aldi homeware, the middle aisle, I got these set of chopping boards. So you get 2 chopping boards for, I think it was £3.99 or £4.99. I've got these sort of non-slip little feet on the end, which come in handy. You know, when you're chopping away and the board is sliding away from the worktop, that can be a bit of a nightmare. But they've actually added some feet to these ones, which are absolutely brilliant. So I got those. So next up from Aldi, I've been after these books for a little while now, okay? I know you can probably get them on Amazon. If I find them on Amazon, I'll link them in the description box below. But Aldi had these books, and they've sold out completely now, which are the Mrs. Hinch books. So I've got the Mrs. Hinch, the activity journal. I didn't realise how amazing this journal was. I got this, yeah, and this was £5.99 in Aldi. I also picked up the #1 bestseller, Mrs. Hinch, Hinch Yourself Happy, all the best cleaning tips to shine your sink and soothe your soul. Okay, so I've got that as well, and this was also £5.99. I also picked up some of these. Now, I know Aldi had these over the Christmas period, and I thought they sold out. I did actually go in there because I actually saw these on Lauren Howorth's Christmas Aldi haul. One of her Christmas videos, she's showing a couple of these from Aldi. And what these are, they're decorative scented sticks. So this one is sparkling cinnamon. And what you're supposed to do with these is put them inside your Christmas tree, so your Christmas tree smells nice and festive-y. So they had a couple of these left over. I'm not sure how much they were originally, but these were reduced down to 49p. So I got those. So next up, I picked up one of these journals. This journal is absolutely amazing. This is a wellness journal, and the front cover says self-care comes first, okay? So as you open it, you've got like a whole page of stickers that you can actually use throughout the journal. And then you get to this page here where it says my week, and then it says I would like to achieve, I would like to feel, other goals for the year. And then it says week commencing this week, what you would like to achieve for the week. And then I'm looking forward to, and it says one thing I want to achieve for the week, and so on. So giving you tabs to motivate yourself and give you that confidence. And also it's got a whole section here for meals and sleep. So it's giving you little tabs on how much water to drink every day, and so you can mark it off, and so on and so on and so on. And this one came in this clear pouch with a couple of pens as well. So all of this for £2.99, absolutely amazing. Okay, so my last item from the Aldi middle aisle is this item here. I actually saw this item on Steph's Packed Lunch with Mr. Carrington. So it's a bath tray. Now this is screaming out White Company kind of vibes. I got it in the galvanized silver colour. They also had it in black. That's the one that Mr. Carrington showed. No, I think he showed a copper one actually, but they did actually have it in black as well. If you know my channel, you've probably seen that I've purchased quite a few of these different bath trays. For our bath seems to be like a little bit smaller than the trays actually made for. So I'm going to try this one on, and hopefully it's going to fit. But this came in at just £9.99. I couldn't believe it. Absolutely amazing value. So that was my last item. Please let me know in the comments below, as always, which was your favourite item. Mine was definitely this from Aldi. You know, the bath tray. I hope it's going to fit on my bath. I mean, I love all of it, to be fair with you. Also the set of 3 succulents. And then from Poundland, I've got to say, this gorgeous vase and the glass candle holders. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you around here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button somewhere down here. And also click on the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on any of my up and coming content. I've got an Aldi grocery haul coming your way. Keep tuned for that. It has been a little bit difficult to film these days because everyone's at home. I'm going to try my best to get all the content out to you. So please keep tuned and have your notification bell switched on. So share the love, guys. Keep well, stay safe, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye!